Long-haul investigation proposes that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $44,230 by 2050, which most certainly is very huge. As of the most recent update, Avalanche is exchanging at around $37.02 in an unpretentious manner. Avalanche cost figure recommends a chance of Avax exchanging between $77.25 to $93.99 in 2025, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The negative cost expectation for Avalanche Avax in 2030 is $477.03, with a kind of likely genuinely high of $599.15 in every practical sense, significant way. Avalanche Avax certainly is estimated to generally arrive at a typical cost of $31.9 toward the finish of 2040. Starting around 22 February 2024, Avalanche truly is exchanging at $37.2 in terms of its worst rate, with the value change of some 53% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they thought. Avax by and large has a fundamentally complete market cap of $39.63,649.68, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $453,221,902, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. This truly makes Avalanche Avax sort of positioning at 9 in the digital currency market, which really is very huge. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche basically be truly worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Avalanche a fundamentally wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, which most certainly is very huge? Will Avax cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? These, for the most part, are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future, which truly shows that these sort of are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future, which sort of is genuinely huge. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a sort of normal value level of $54.67. This normal, especially least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to, for the most part, be $52.72 in a genuinely huge manner. Besides, Avax can truly arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $62.79 in an unpretentious manner. Avalanche value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Avalanche generally is supposed to explicitly be at around a very least of $37.57, or so they basically thought. Avalanche cost can in a real sense arrive at an all things considered limit of $42.26 with a kind of typical cost of $41.09 in ESD, which certainly is very huge. Avalanche value estimate walk 2024, the fundamentally normal cost of Avalanche Avax could essentially go to $40.91 toward the finish of walk 2024, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avax could be exchanging around and in every way that really matters, most extreme worth of $44.32 with the especially least expected cost of $40.35. Avalanche Avax value conjecture April 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for April 2024 may truly arrive at a by and large least worth of $40.79, while the most extreme Guaj cost basically is around $45.99, exhibiting how Avalanche Avax value gauge April 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for April 2024 may especially arrive at a really least worth of $40.79, while the sort of greatest determined cost for the most part is around $45.99 in a very significant manner. The especially normal cost for Avax by and large is for the most part anticipated to reach $42.75 in April 2024, or so they really thought. Avalanche Avax value expectation May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $42.47 and $47.70, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $44.03 in an unobtrusive manner. Avalanche value expectation June 2024. Avalanche cost most certainly is supposed to especially reach between $43.40 to $49.91 in June 2024. While the truly normal cost of Avax for the June truly remains around $45.35. Avalanche value expectation July 2024. The cost of Avalanche in a real sense is, all things considered, anticipated to sort of reach at least worth of $45.60 in July 2024, which especially is genuinely critical. The Avax cost could really arrive at a very most extreme worth of $51.72 with a typical exchanging worth of $47.17 all through 2024 in a truly significant manner. Avalanche Avax value expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Avalanche cost basically is gauged to generally arrive at a flat-out least cost of $47.02, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The Avax cost could arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $53.61 with a typical expected cost around $48.58, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Avalanche value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Avalanche for the most part is supposed to by and large be at around a kind of least of $48.08 in a sort of enormous manner. Avalanche cost can really arrive at an especially limit of $55.55 with the extremely normal cost of $50.04 in est in a genuinely significant way. Avalanche value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Avalanche by and large is supposed to truly be at around an especially least of $50.48. Which essentially is genuinely huge. Avalanche cost can basically arrive at a limit of $58.05 with a really normal cost of $52.04 in est in a sort of enormous way. Avalanche Avax value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Avalanche cost for the most part is figured to in every practical sense arrive at a least cost of $51.52, showing how Avalanche Avax value forecast May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $42.47 and $47.70 in every way that really matters as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Avax cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $60.13 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $53.08, which certainly is genuinely huge. Avalanche value expectation December 2024. Avalanche value sort of is supposed to reach between $52.72 to $62.79 in December 2024, while the especially normal cost of Avax for the December for the most part remains around $54.67. Avalanche kind of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto in a real sense has been by and large diminished by zone 49% in its kind of current worth, or so they thought. Assuming we by and large look at the really current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which in a real sense is very huge. Avalanche in every way that really matters is confronting an exceptionally tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which generally is very huge. The Avax really is down to nearly 10.53% in the absolute most recent 7 days, exhibiting how besides Avax can generally arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $62.79, or so they truly thought. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for truly past essentially couple of days. The coin could